Guys, today I'm in Union City, Tennessee with a crossing tour. This is East Church Street. This is the first cantilever here. We have a Safe Tran cantilever. Here's the dot number. The dot is 299498C. The lights are Safe Tran 8-inch lights, as you can see there, and the top ones are also Safe Tran 12 by 24 inch lights up there. So, and the bell is either a type 1 electronic bell or type 2. Great. Comes a police officer. I'll wait until this police officer goes and his truck goes. And alright, now I can go. Now to the other side here. We have another Safe Tran base, a cantilever. Here's the dot. Here's the emergency information. The lights are Safe Tran 8-inch lights, as you can see there. And the top ones are more Safe Tran 12 by 24 inch lights. And over there is the relay case. I can zoom in. Well, but you can see the relay case over there. So there's direction that way, and there's a look that way. And you can see long ways. It's my first time being up here. You can see long ways. So this is East Church Street Railroad Crossing in Union City, Tennessee. Over and out.